Hi again everyone, JaLingo's word of the week is Zeen. Zeen is a common expression used by Jamaicans which means you're agreeing with or understanding someone when they speak. An example may be, yo Kevin, I touched the road tonight, Zeen, so make sure you're ready by 9. This actually means, hey Kevin, we're going out tonight, okay? So get ready at 9. A second example for the word Zeen, I make sure do my schoolwork so I don't waste my mother money. Zeen, I'm trying to ensure I work hard in school so as not to waste my mother's money spent on tuition. Understood? Related words include cool, you see me, which means you get me, for real, okay, yes, yeah, or true, true. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.